Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and for today we are going to have applications on addition and subtraction of polynomials. So in the previous lesson we learned about how to add and subtract polynomials, but this time we're going to do some problem solving. Okay, so let's get started. Example 1. What must be added to m to the fourth minus 7m cubed minus 3m squared plus 12 to get negative 4m cubed plus 5m squared plus 10. So in this type of problem, I suggest na you make use of numbers as examples to replace the two polynomials given first, because you might have wrong interpretations of the problem and that will lead to incorrect answer. So gamit mo tayo ng numbers. So suppose the question is, what must be added to 7 to get 15? So if that's the given, then your answer will be 8. Yes, you're right, 8. But how did we get 8 from 15 and 7? And you'll say, it's 15 minus 7. And from there, you get an 8. Correct. So this format that you use in order to get 8 from 15 and 7 will also be the format to use as we deal with the two polynomials. Because the important thing here is to determine which one is the subtrahend and the minuend, especially the subtrahend, because the subtrahend is the part of the mathematical sentence wherein we change the sign of the terms of that polynomial. So between 15 and 7, the subtrahend is 7. Therefore, the first given polynomial is 7. We change the sign of each term of our first polynomial, and this becomes negative, positive, positive, negative. So we rewrite that here. We rewrite maybe here. So we have a negative m to the fourth plus 7m cubed. Wait, I have to rewrite everything first. So make sure that you have written everything legibly, okay? So negative m to the fourth plus 7m cubed plus 3m squared minus 12. Okay, so double check. Negative, then positive, positive, negative. And this is the minuend, right? This is the minuend. So we write this on top. So negative 4m cubed plus 5m squared, and then plus 10. After changing the sign of the subtrahend, we proceed to addition. We then get, bring it down, negative m to the fourth, 7 and negative 4 is positive 3, 3m cubed. 3 plus 5 is 8, so plus 8m squared. Negative 12 plus 10 is negative 2 minus 2. And there you have the final answer. Now, if you're not sure and you want to check if your answer is correct, then we go back with the given. So it says here, what must be added to the first polynomial in order to get this? And this is our answer, right? The one in red. So let's do some sort of checking. So I'll write check and then A. So the given is m to the fourth minus 7m cubed minus 3m squared plus 12. So I'll be writing our answers in red para ma-check natin, no? Negative m to the fourth plus 3m cubed plus 8m squared minus 2. Dapat, makuha natin ay yung given, yung second polynomial. So I'll make use of green for that. So when we have m to the fourth and negative m to the fourth, eliminated na yan. Negative 7 plus 3 is negative 4. Copy m cubed. Negative 3 plus 8 is positive 5. M squared. And 12 and negative 2 is positive 10. Is this the second polynomial given? Yes, we got it here. So that means our answer is correct. So let's proceed to example 2. In example 2, if 5a squared minus 9ab plus 7 is subtracted from 14a squared plus 9a minus 11, then what is the difference? So as the given problem states, it already implies that the first polynomial is our subtrahend. Okay? So kung sure na tayo dyan at kung alam niyo na kagad kung alin ang subtrahend sa problem, then you proceed to your solution. So we change the sign of each term here. It's going to be negative 5a squared plus 9a minus 7. And the other one will just be copied or rewritten. 14a squared plus 9a minus 11. So I have over equals. So add 14 minus 5 is 9. 9 and 9 is 18. And negative 11 and negative 7 is negative 18. And there you have the final answer to be 9a squared plus 18a minus 18. Okay? So, proceed naman tayo sa example 3. Ayan. So, example 3 naman, medyo konting complicated na siya, no? From the sum of 6b cubed minus 3b squared plus 17b minus 9 and 9b cubed plus 13b squared minus 8b minus 16, we subtract 22b cubed plus 31b squared minus 10. So, siguro, no, ang medyo kulang yung question, no? Ang tanong siguro dyan is, what will be the resulting expression? That's it. So, let's have it. Ang first step natin, so we have to perform 2 steps. That's addition and subtraction. So, first is we get the sum of these two. The first and the second polynomial. So, that's our first step. So, we have 6b cubed minus 3b squared plus 17b minus 9. And then this will be added to 9b cubed plus 13b squared minus 8b minus 16. So we just have to add the 2. We get, I'll use red, 15b cubed plus 10b squared plus 9b minus 25. Pero, ang sabi pa dyan, from the sum, we subtract this. So, pwedeng ituloy na natin yan. Ito, since this is the subtrahend, we are going to change each sign of the term. So, it's going to be negative. Oh, wait. I'll use black. So, it's going to be negative 22b cubed minus 31b squared plus 10. And this one will be our final answer. I'll use blue. Okay, so ulitin ko ha. Itong red, ito yung sum lang ng dalawang polynomial. Sabi sa example 3, mula sa sum nila, magsusubtract pa tayo ng third polynomial. So, yung third polynomial ang ating subtrahend. So, palit ng sign bawat isa. 1, negative, negative, positive. Ayan. Then, we proceed now to adding. So, 15 and negative 22, it's negative 7 b cubed. And then 10 and negative 31 is negative 21 b squared. We bring down 9b. Negative 25 and 10 is negative 15. Therefore, our final answer will be negative b cubed, negative 7b cubed minus 21b squared plus 9b minus 15. Okay, so I hope you're getting this one, huh? So you have to do it step by step. First, we add, then we subtract. We automatically change the sign of the subtrahend, which is our third polynomial. Then we add again. We get the final answer. Okay, let's proceed to example 4. Ayan. So example 4 naman, allow me to read the problem. John used a piece of rope 55 centimeters long to form a triangle as shown in the figure. So you have here the figure, the triangle. Express the perimeter of the triangle in terms of x and y. So as you can see sa figure, gumamit ng variables x and y for the lengths of the sides, of each side. If y is 3 centimeters, find x. So mamaya tayo dyan sa pangalawa, no? Dito muna tayo sa una. So we all know that perimeter is simply done by adding all sides. Okay? So we have to use the symbol for perimeter, which is P, and we add all the three sides, side 1, side 2, side 3. And given are the lengths of this side, we have 2y plus x, we have 8y, we have 6x minus y. And all of these are in terms of centimeters. Okay? So, we have to combine like terms so that we will be able to get the perimeter of the triangle in terms of x and y. So, here, unahin natin yung x and 6x. We have 7x. Then, for those with y, 2y, 8y is 10, and negative y is 9. So, we have plus 9y centimeters. And there you have the answer to perimeter of the triangle. Okay, so since we're done with the perimeter in terms of x and y, we now solve for the value of x given y equals 3 centimeters. So dito tayo bang gagaling, no? From p equals 7x plus 9y, we just replace x by x as is. The variable x will remain as is because we're going to solve for it. And then replace y by 3. Saka yung perimeter niya, ayan, from the start, 55. So, you have 55 equals 7 times x plus 9 times 3. So, we have 55 here equals 7x plus 27. So we don't know how to deal with equation yet, right? Because we haven't had that lesson yet. So what we're going to do is to balance both sides. 55 on the left and the right side should also be 55. If we already have 27 here, then how much is still missing? Ilan pa ang missing? Yes, you're right. We still need 28. Okay? So, itong 7x na to, dapat maging 28. Kaso, we don't know what's x. What's the value of x? Okay? But we know that in the term 7x, the operation involved is multiplication. So, it's 7 times what number equals 28. And upon checking our multiplication table, 7 times 4 is 28. Yes, so we now have here, it's going to be 7 times 4. Okay, 7 times 4 is 28. So we say that your x is 4 centimeters. Okay, there you go. X is 4 centimeters. To double check, okay? To double check, you refer to the first given, the perimeter in terms of xy. 7 times x, which is 28. 9 times y, which is 3, so 27. 27 and 28 will give you a 55. And there you go. Nasatisfy natin yung given sa problems. So again, A, perimeter in terms of x and y, we have this one. And B, we solve for x given y and the perimeter. We use, of course, our answer in A. Okay? So we did not apply the solution in solving linear equation, but we just did the balancing of both sides. Okay? So I hope that you learned in this video lesson, and I hope to see you in the next or in the succeeding video lessons. Goodbye!